Hi everyone, my name is Dilpreet Kaur Komal and I'm the author of the ABCs of Grammar published by Indie Press team. So I've received my author copies. Let us unbox it together. This is my debut book on the ABCs of Grammar. It is useful for people who want to improve their grammar skills for academic, professional and personal growth. It is good for students who want to brush up their grammar skills during exams or in their day-to-day lives. Additionally, it is useful for professionals who face challenges while writing emails or while communicating with people. Apart from this, it is equally relevant for homemakers who want to improve their grammar skills. This book is available on Amazon, so grab your copies today. Thank you.